Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to be taking a look at a product from JennyChem, which is a UK company based in the south of England, and it's a caravan cleaning product. Now, with this particular caravan cleaning product, they do recommend that you use a pressure washer. Now, as you know on the channel, we don't promote pressure washers when cleaning your leisure vehicle. It can blow the seals out if you're not careful, and it can cause more harm than good. However, you can actually use this product without having to use a pressure washer, and I'm going to show you some items that can make this more effective than using a pressure washer, but at the same time cleaning your caravan perfectly. So let's take a look now at the caravan we're going to be cleaning with the JennyChem Caravan Cleaner.
This is today's caravan. Now this one is going to be going up for sale soon. Sadly, the owners fallen out of love and are moving on, so they want to sell it. So as you can see, it's in a pretty bad state. It's not been used for over 2 years. It's got a 2006 Compass. Let's take a look on the roof. Here is the roof, and as you can see, it's a bit of a mess. So we're going to give this JennyChem Caravan Cleaner a whirl, along with some good old-fashioned elbow grease, as in my arms, not the cleaning product. We'll see what we can get it like.
So here's a photograph of the side of the caravan I was cleaning. I sprayed the JennyChem Caravan Cleaner onto the actual surface, and I left it for a little while. Then I agitated it with a brush and then rinsed off, and here is the result. As you can see, it's like night and day. Was quite easy to do. Obviously there are the trim areas to do and around the windows, but in general it's lifted it off the bodywork quite well. Let's have a look at the roof. Now, as you saw in the previous little video footage, the roof was horrendous, and this is the results I got with the JennyChem and a brush, and all in all I'm quite happy with this. Right, this is what's left of our JennyChem Caravan Cleaner. I've given this a thorough test. I've cleaned it, several vans with this, and I've had some really good success with it. My Uncle Les was impressed when I cleaned his the other day. Now, as I said before, they recommend that you use a foaming cannon on a pressure washer in order to administer the actual chemicals. As you know, I don't like pressure washers. I think they can be dangerous. So I've come up with a couple of alternatives, and here's the first one. And it's this. It's a garden pump spray bottle. I put a litre in of the actual chemical, and I filled it up to the 5 litres. So 1 part to 4, and that's how I did it. And that worked really well. Sprayed it on the roof and let it soak for a while, agitated it, and then rinsed it off. And it did a really good job. Now, the other alternative, when I can find it, is this. Now, this is my actual Karcher pressure washer foam cannon, but I've adapted it so that I can use it with a normal hose pipe. What I've done is I've purchased this, and I've adapted so that you can put a normal hose on, so you get normal hose pressure, but you can also use the foam cannon to actually administer the JennyChem Caravan Cleaner. And this works a treat as well. I was really impressed with this. So yeah, all in all, happy with it. Now, this product's quite reasonably priced. It won't break the bank. I'll leave a link to their website so you can check it out for yourself, and maybe have a look at some of their other products that they do. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon. But in the meantime, bye for now.